get how I live. I'm walking dead president. I'm trying to pull up. Head spin. 26. I got 6 shots. I don't get tired. I got 6 shots. I don't get tired. I got 6 shots. I don't get tired. I got 6 shots. I don't get 26 shots. I got 6 shots. I don't get it. What the world, bro? Why you got my phone, bro? Take it home, bro. Dropping phone stuff. I don't want to hear, bro. Go home. Look. I said go home. I said go home, boy. What? Who do you turn your back with? I said go home. Boy, I said go home. You better go home. Alright, it's cool. Stay here with me. What's gonna happen? And then that's my boy right there, my dog. But what's up, y'all? I don't know what to do today. I played basketball. What the fuck? Why you following me, bro? I don't know what to do today, y'all. I was playing YouTube and all that stuff. Well, not even playing YouTube. I was on YouTube and stuff. Yeah, flip the bottom. I did all this. I did flip the bottom. All that. Like sand, gravel, walk the testament of what can happen. The moment you follow your heart, keeping the faith even when it get dark. They say give up as I tell them get lost. 6 years ago, I just purchased a farm. Most likely the one that you cannot afford. Right now on the gas. Well, accelerating, I'm doing the shit. Hey, I don't know what to do. I ain't got nobody to throw the ball to it, nothing. Alright, we're gonna do something. Wait a second. Alright. Shout out to my boy Pretty Boy Fredo, club called Cash Nasty Game, and my boy tonight tomorrow. Alright, we're gonna do so. We're gonna see how many times it take me to land a backflip on 2 feet. I'm gonna sit there. Alright, here we go. Y'all ready? I'm tired, yeah, I can't do this. I'm tired. Here we go. Oh, give me that backflip. That's it one time. Oh, yes, sir. Say hey to the camera. My lady looking at the gate like, where is he going? Yeah. Take behind that house. Alright. You saw that backflip? That's that backflip. Alright, y'all. Oh, I might make another video of my dad's house with my friends. But I'm finna go. Peace. Oh, yeah. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.